Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm taking your remaining month of February reading start from the 22nd through the 28th of February 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see what is coming up for Scorpions for the remaining month time. I will be adding oracle cards. I will be pulling out charms as well. So stay tuned, and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's begin the reading. Let's find out what is coming up for Scorpions. The Death card wants to show up, but I'm not going to include this card. But yes, you might have been feeling some sort of change coming from within for a situation, person, relationship as well. But yes, you would be feeling that there is like maybe your heart is softening up to a person. Maybe your heart is changing towards a situation. It could be something around those lines. Something is ending, something is beginning as well. So yeah, let's see more cards. What else is happening for the Scorpions for the remaining month time? Let's begin. Three of Pentacles. Uh, I do see that you would be definitely, taking other opinions, but I do see you doing your thing now. With the Death card showing up earlier, it seems like since you always stay under some sort of influence of the people around you, I feel like it's you are not going to do that now. You are not going to listen to or live your life for others. You're going to choose what you want to choose. You're going to go for what you want to go for. You're going to decide yourself what do you want and how you want it to be. I do see that you would be having a lot of communication coming in as well with different people. Maybe you would be talking with the taking opinions of others. But again, like I said, I do see that you will be taking your own decision based on your own desire, feelings, at that point in time. Let's see more cards here. Page of Wands. You might be reaching out to someone after having some sort of discussion done with a few people around you. You might be reaching out to someone, but again, like I said, you do have that thing where you do think like how others are going to respond and this and that and everything around those lines. But I feel like still you would be trying to have the courage enough to follow what your heart asks you to go for in the remaining month time. Because I feel like you are going to think straight this time. Whatever the scenario is, be that in love, be that in work, you are going to think straight. You're not going to let people affect you or impact your decision. You are going to make your decision based on what you truly feel from deep within. You're going to listen to everyone, but not going to take any decision based on that. You're going to think, take your time, and then decide what do you want. It is definitely regarding a specific someone in your life. There is a specific someone in your life. Maybe you have that thing that people are not approving it. Maybe they have their concerns around it. But I do see you making your choice, and I do see you choosing the love over anything else. Let's see more cards here. Yes, you are going to be taking some actions towards that specific someone because that's what you want, that's what you need right now, and that's what your heart is asking you to go for as well. Now I feel like you are pulling yourself out of the thing where you used to get under influence of other people, their opinions. Like you would make your decision based on them and what they want from you, how they want you to act, react to certain things. Now you are taking the charge of your life, taking your decision based on what you truly desire. So maybe you have basically awakened around your needs and goals and your desires. You might have been doing things in your life which you were doing for other people and for their happiness. I do see that changing now. I do see that you are going to do the things that pleases you, not others. So right now your focus is your happiness and your thing. Let's see more cards here. Ooh, reaching out to someone that you love, that you have feelings for. You're not concerned about how the other people are going to approve, not approve, react, not react. You don't care shit about it. You are ready to go for it. You are following your heart. You are changing your mindset. You are not letting people tell you, dictate you anything. On the deck, the Hierophant. You are choosing to get married to someone. You're choosing to commit to someone. You're choosing to go for someone. There are people in your life who doesn't want you to do that, but you are still going to choose that. Why? Because that's what you feel that you need. That's what you feel that makes you feel loved, that makes you feel very emotionally fulfilled. Being with this person is what you want. Why? Because this person really loves you a lot. Now I feel like you feel the value worth of this person and the love they have for you now. People might have been the one controlling you or your decisions regarding this person's situation as well, but now you are choosing to decide it for yourself. Things are changing with the wheel of fortune underneath that. It's extremely, like, it's going to be extreme big change happening for you regarding your love life situation with a specific someone. You are going to choose what you feel the need to choose right now. Let's see what else we have for you. We're going to take the charms towards the end of the reading, so yeah, stay tuned. Let's take two cards. Angel numbers 111999. For some of you, you could be seeing angel numbers as you started, having this change from within you. You might started having these numbers on your number plate, on the roads that you see, on the cars. Maybe you see your time, it's 111 or something around those lines. Maybe you check some, number plates outside, when you are out on the road, you see 999. Or maybe you scrolling your social media, you see these numbers, angel numbers. It doesn't have to be just 111 or 999, but with that number coming, I feel like it's an extreme major change happening for you. Some sort of an ending and a beautiful new beginning is what I'm picking up happening for you during this remaining month time. Attitude is everything. So your attitude towards everything is, I feel like, changing now, and that's going to bring you the liberty to choose for yourself. So it's going to be amazing change happening for you during this time. Let's see more cards here. Let's see what do they have to add to the reading. Okay, this card wants to come up. They are your wish fulfillment. Ta-da! And you are choosing them for sure. They are your wish fulfillment and you are definitely choosing them. Like I said, you now value their love that they have for you. You now value they do make you feel emotionally fulfilled. Like no other person can do that. If it is meant to be, it will be. You are letting things be right now. With you being, it's more like, you're letting your God or your spirit, your higher self, your inner, need, want, lead you towards this person. And you're not trying to control anything, because you are not letting people control you now. You are setting yourself free from that kind of imposed blocks. And then we have, let's take these three cards more. Unbreakable bond, divinely protected. You and your connection with this one person is unbreakable and divinely protected. You know what to do next. Follow your intuition around the situation. 3 months time, from 3 months, from for 3 months, within 3 months time, like 3 months from now, you will be having this wedding with this person for sure. Let's see this card. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Ta-da! Scorpions are setting themselves free. No more, blocks coming from outside. You are choosing to do what you want to do. You're not letting your fears stop you. You're not letting people stop you. You are following your heart and you're just letting it lead you towards what you want. Perfection. When you let go of the control issues, be that coming from an outside or be that coming from yourself, you see perfection in everything. I feel like it's more of that time when you are ready to see what you truly desire. With the perfection, I don't know, it's more like, reflection of you yourself into your reality. You want that perfect life. Earlier, what perfection was, it was like, based on what people would appreciate. Right now, it has changed. It has become the perfection that you truly desire. When it comes to, especially when it comes to this scenario that we are picking up here, you might have thought that this would be the ideal person that I want to be with, but it was something that was like, demand of people around you, not yours. This person is the perfect one for you, so that's why you're choosing that one person in your life. Let's take one last oracle card and then we're going to take charms. A personal issue reaches resolution. I feel like, you are finally finding a way out of the drama that you were a part of earlier. Or it's more like, you were entrapped into that drama. It could be a family drama, it could be drama of the friends and family mixed together or something around those lines. But yes, you were being controlled earlier, but now things are getting back to normal. You are setting yourself free. You are getting the control back of your life and in your own hands. Let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys. You do have 2 alphabets. J, it can be your name initial or your person's name initial, and then we do have M. Again, it can be your name or name initial of the person that you are dealing with. Now you are not letting your, the fear of people's approval, you are not fanning that fear now. You are fanning your faith, your belief in this particular situation now. I do see that you are choosing to leave behind the past habits. You are leaving a karmic cycle right now is what I'm picking up. There could be some sort of karma that you needed to clear, and you are coming out of that as well, with you setting yourself free from that. You are now having the keys that you want to unlock the future, the abundant one in your love life towards this specific someone. You have all the keys, you have all the tools that you need, require right now in this situation. You are ready to go towards this person, and you are following your heart. You're not letting yourself to be controlled by another person, be that your family, friends, siblings. You are choosing to take your decision yourself. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. So, yep, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye-bye.